Bird gang out and about in the community. They came over and said hello. Monty on action, satellites around. Been pulling up on me all day. It's looking towards the south, towards the equator. Looking at the west, down by the riverfront. The gang's out and about, looking towards the southeast. Have energy field pulling up. Louisiana, I think it's on track. Projected track. These alien vehicles. Bird gang over. It's looking towards the east, nation's capital. Updates. Showing a little through the environment change. Here's another. The gang. What's up? What's goody? Out and about though. Yeah, looking towards the east, man. Looking towards the north. We'll give you more updates later. I went to Springfield actually. They were sealing with the bird life active right when it pulled in, and then out and around town did some campaigning out there. Looking towards again the north. Young little troopers out. Back towards the west. Quincy Field.